Pregnancy is a time of great change, both physically and emotionally. A woman's body is working hard to grow a baby, and this requires a lot of energy and nutrients. Everything she eats and drinks impacts her health and the baby's development, making nutrition more important than ever. A balanced diet is crucial during this time. It provides essential nutrients for both mom and baby, ensuring they both stay healthy. A healthy pregnancy diet includes a variety of foods, each contributing to overall well-being. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are all important components of this diet. These foods provide vitamins, minerals, and energy, which are vital for the baby's growth. They support the baby's growth and development, laying the foundation for a healthy life. Pregnant women have increased nutritional needs, which must be met to support both mother and child. They need more calories, protein, and certain vitamins and minerals to sustain the pregnancy. These nutrients help the baby grow and develop properly, ensuring a healthy start to life. They also support the mother's health, helping her stay strong and energized. Eating a healthy diet during pregnancy has many benefits, including reducing the risk of complications. It can reduce the risk of complications such as gestational diabetes and preeclampsia. It can also help ensure a healthy birth weight for the baby, which is crucial for their early development. A healthy diet can make the pregnancy journey smoother, more enjoyable, and ultimately more successful for both mother and baby. Pineapple is a tropical fruit. It is known for its sweet and tangy flavor. It is also packed with nutrients. Pineapple can be a healthy addition to any diet, including a pregnancy diet. This fruit is a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. It helps protect cells from damage. It also helps the body absorb iron. Iron is important for red blood cell production. Pineapple contains manganese. Manganese is important for bone health. It also plays a role in metabolism. Metabolism is the process of converting food into energy. This tropical fruit is a source of dietary fiber. Fiber is important for digestion. It helps regulate bowel movements. Fiber can also help you feel full and satisfied after eating. The internet is full of advice. Some of it is conflicting. This is especially true when it comes to pregnancy. One minute something is good for you. The next minute it is harmful. It can be overwhelming. Pineapple is a fruit at the center of this debate. Some claim it is dangerous during pregnancy. Others say it is perfectly safe. So, what is the truth? The short answer is yes. Pineapple can be enjoyed during pregnancy. However, there are some things to consider. Moderation is key. Too much of any food can cause problems. It is important to note that individual reactions to food can vary. What works for one person may not work for another. Listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort after eating pineapple, it is best to avoid it. One of the most pervasive myths circulating among expectant mothers is that consuming pineapple can cause a miscarriage. This is simply not true. Despite the widespread belief, there is no scientific evidence to support this claim. Researchers and medical professionals have thoroughly examined this myth and found no basis for it in scientific literature. The myth likely stems from the presence of bromelain in pineapple. Bromelain is an enzyme that is found in the stem and fruit of the pineapple. Enzymes are proteins that help speed up chemical reactions in the body, playing crucial roles in various bodily functions. Bromelain, specifically, is known for its anti-inflammatory properties and is often used in supplements for this reason. Some people believe that bromelain can soften the cervix, which is the opening of the uterus. The cervix remains closed during pregnancy to protect the baby, and the theory is that a softened cervix could lead to miscarriage. However, the amount of bromelain in a typical serving of pineapple is minimal and not enough to cause any harm. Medical experts agree that the levels of bromelain in pineapple are too low to have any significant effect on the cervix or pregnancy. The cervix remains closed to protect the baby throughout the pregnancy, and this natural barrier is not easily influenced by dietary factors. The theory that a softened cervix could lead to miscarriage is not supported by any credible scientific evidence. In fact, the nutritional benefits of pineapple, including its vitamins and minerals, can be a healthy addition to a balanced diet during pregnancy. So there is no need to avoid pineapple out of fear of miscarriage. Enjoying it in moderation is perfectly safe. There is no need to avoid pineapple for this reason. Embrace the delicious fruit as part of a healthy, balanced diet. Section 5. Bromelain Breakdown. Understanding the enzyme in focus. Bromelain is often misunderstood. It is true that it has medicinal properties. It has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. It is often used as a dietary supplement. This enzyme has anti-inflammatory effects. It can help reduce pain and swelling. It is sometimes used to treat conditions like sinusitis and arthritis. It may also help with digestion. Bromelain is considered safe for most people when consumed in moderation. However, it can interact with certain medications. It is important to talk to your doctor before taking bromelain supplements. Section 6. Bromelain Benefits. Friend or foe? During pregnancy. While bromelain is generally safe, there are some things to keep in mind during pregnancy. This enzyme, found in pineapples, is often praised for its health benefits, but its effects can vary depending on the dosage and individual circumstances. High doses of bromelain can cause uterine contractions, which can be concerning for expectant mothers. This is why it is sometimes used to induce labor in certain medical situations, under professional supervision. However, the amount of bromelain in a few slices of pineapple is not enough to induce labor. You would need to consume an impractically large amount for it to have such an effect. Therefore, it is unlikely to cause any harm when eaten in normal food quantities. If you are concerned, you can always eat pineapple in moderation. Moderation is key to ensuring you get the benefits without any potential risks. Bromelain may actually have some benefits during pregnancy. It is known to have anti-inflammatory properties and can be a helpful addition to your diet. It can help with digestion, which is particularly useful as digestive issues are common during pregnancy. It can also reduce nausea and vomiting, providing some relief from these uncomfortable symptoms. These are common symptoms during pregnancy, and finding natural remedies can be very beneficial. Remember, every pregnancy is different. What works well for one person may not be suitable for another. What works for one woman may not work for another. It's important to listen to your body and consult with your healthcare provider. It is always best to err on the side of caution. When in doubt, seek professional advice to ensure the safety of both you and your baby. If you have any concerns, talk to your doctor. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific health needs and pregnancy journey. Section 7. Pineapple portions. Moderation is key. Moderation is key when it comes to pineapple during pregnancy. Eating a whole pineapple in one sitting is not recommended. This is true for any food, not just pineapple. A serving of pineapple is about 1 cup of cubed fruit. This is a safe amount to consume during pregnancy. You can enjoy pineapple as part of a balanced diet. There are many ways to enjoy pineapple. You can eat it fresh, grilled, or juiced. You can add it to smoothies, yogurt, or salads. Be creative and find what you enjoy. Remember, listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort after eating pineapple, stop eating it. It is always better to be safe than sorry. Section 8. Listening to your body. Pregnancy symptoms and pineapple consumption. Pregnancy affects everyone differently. Some women sail through with few problems. Others experience a range of symptoms. These can include nausea, vomiting, heartburn, and indigestion. Certain foods can trigger or worsen these symptoms. This is why it's important to pay attention to your body. Notice how it reacts to different foods. Pineapple is acidic. This means it could potentially cause heartburn. Heartburn is a common problem during pregnancy. It is caused by stomach acid backing up into the esophagus. If you find pineapple triggers heartburn, you may need to avoid it. You could also try eating it in smaller amounts, or you could eat it with other foods. This can help neutralize the acid. Section 9. When in doubt, seeking expert advice. Pregnancy can be a confusing and overwhelming time. There is a lot of information out there to consider. It can be hard to know what to believe or trust. If you are ever unsure about something, talk to your doctor. Your doctor can provide personalized advice tailored to you. They can address your specific concerns and questions. They can also help you create a healthy eating plan for your pregnancy. Remember, every pregnancy is unique and different. What works for one person may not work for another. It is always best to err on the side of caution. Section 10. The final word. Enjoying a healthy and delicious pregnancy. The bottom line is that pineapple is safe to eat during pregnancy. Enjoy it as part of a balanced diet. Be mindful of portion sizes. Pay attention to your body's signals. Pregnancy should be a time of joy and anticipation. Don't let food myths and worries overshadow this special time. Focus on nourishing your body and your growing baby. Remember, a healthy pregnancy is about more than just what you eat. It's also about managing stress, getting enough rest, and exercising regularly. Take care of yourself and enjoy this incredible journey.